Ready to make your Canva designs pop by instantly removing unwanted backgrounds. First, head over to Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one. For this tutorial, I'll start with a blank design. Next, upload the image you want to edit by clicking on the Uploads tab on the left-hand side. Then click Upload Files and select your image from your computer. Once your image is uploaded and placed on your design, select the image and click on the Edit Photo button that appears at the top. Now, look for the BG Remover button. It stands for Background Remover, and it's usually one of the first options. Click on it, and Canva will automatically start removing the background. Just like that, Canva has removed the background. You can refine the cutout using the Erase and Restore tools. If needed, the Erase tool will remove any unwanted parts, and the Restore tool brings back parts of the image that were accidentally removed. And there you have it. Now you can easily create professional-look graphics by removing backgrounds in Canva. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Now go create something amazing.